Paano nga ba mag-live streaming at mag-sound recording on your mobile phone using your V8 sound cards and your 800 microphone condenser? If you want to know more, please watch the video until the end. Para magkaroon ng magandang boses during your live streaming and your sound recording, or you can have a wonderful live streaming, you are really needing this V8 sound card. It is easy to use, guys, because the V8 sound card has different ports which can be used during your live streaming and your sound recording. So paano nga ba? To do live streaming, first you need a V8 sound card, your mobile phone to be used for your live streaming, your microphone condenser, and your headphones para marinig mo kung ano ang boses mo on your live streaming. So let's get it on. And to start with, ilagay natin yung line 1 dito, and this live 1 must be connected on your mobile phone to be used for your live streaming. Again, the live one to your mobile phone. And you can also have another phone for your live 2. But if only you're using one phone, so give it away. And if you want to use a music during your live streaming, or yung music na kukunin mo for your sound, for your background music on your song, so dito yung siya ilalagay sa accompaniment or instrument. So, ganyan. Then, you will attach this one to your other phone na magiging source mo for your music or for your background music. So, that's one. So, you have two cell phones for your live streaming or for your recording, and one cell phone for your background music, or you can use also your laptop or any available materials. Then, we have to connect the cord for the microphone condenser, and then at kapag na-connect mo na yung dalawang phone for your live streaming and for your accompaniment, you need kailangan mo din i-connect yung earphone mo o your headset mo para marinig mo yung mga boses na lalabas sa yung sound card. So, i-connect po natin ito sa headset. Kasi dyan mo maririnig yung mga boses na lalabas ng sound cards. Then, you also have to connect your microphone condenser on the port for the microphone condenser. Ayan. So, connected na po siya. So, ayan. So, you're now ready for your live streaming. So, again, this live one is connected to your phone for live streaming or for your recording. And this one is for your accompaniment. This one for your headset or speaker earphone. This is for your headset, and this one is for your microphone condenser. So here is the microphone condenser to be used. Also use your ordinary microphone because there is still an available port for this one. Ayan, so pwede mo ilagay dyan. And now the setup for our live streaming is now ready. Ayan. Okay, this is the microphone. So we're now ready. I-mic test na po natin yung V8 sound cards, kung ano ba yung boses niya on the live streaming. So at this moment of time, mag-live stream po tayo at i-check po natin kung anong boses niya on the live streaming. So I am using the phone Samsung this one for the live streaming. So let's check. I will be checking right now what is our voice on the V8 sound card compared to our original voice. Again, hindi na yung boses ko. So, on the V8 sound card, you can use different kinds of voices. No? May iba't ibang tinig ng voice. May iba't ibang voices natin. So, pwede yan. You can adjust accordingly kung ano bang gusto mong boses. So, here in our V8 sound card, ay pagpipiliin ka mga iba't ibang effects for your voice. So let's try here the electro. electro. So, yan. Ayan. Yung pag ganyan yung boses ko, diba nag-iba siya, parang mas malakas yung treble and yung bass niya, no? And have you also the pitch bend.
Ayan, pitch pen. Ayan. Nag-iiba-iba yung boses ko. Ayan yun. Ayan, makinig kayo, di ba? So, I sounds like a lady or a young girl. Ayan. Pwede na, pag-touch mo ulit yan, mag-iba rin ang boses mo.
Hello, kaya di ba, yung malaki yung boses ko parang monster.
And we'll hear another voice. Ayan, di ba? Nag-iiba-iba yung voice depending on what is the... So, ayan.
Hello. Hello. O, di ba? And I also mag-check. Mag-check this, parang bibigyan niya pa ng diction yung voice mo. And I also hear the shockwave. Let's try this one. Shockwave.
Hello. O, diba? Masyado siyang malaki. It's ginagamit ng mga hosts siguro. Yun, diba? And I hear the MC. Ayan. Hello. Compared to our original voice, no, iba talaga siya, yung voice niya. And have here the Dodge. Itong Dodge, ito yung usual na ginagamit ng mga DJs sa radio na mag-place na ng mga music. Then if they are talking, magsa-stop yung music. No? So you can also adjust here in the monitor and the amount of your music, the volume of your music. And for the recording, for the treble and the bass, pwede siya ma-adjust yan. You can discover it in your sound card. So may iba't iba rin siyang effect. Makita yung ganito. This one, the laugh. So ito pa, itatouch natin yan. Di ba? Yan. So pwede siya mga sound effects din. You have here also a clap. Yan. And the cheers. And this one for the embarrass. Yung hindi mo alam yung sagot. Ano. And then you have the dance. And you also hear the kiss. And another kiss. And you hear the debut.
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it. Zile zile, zile zile, yo I love it, gal. Mille mille, mille mille, for my.
And if you're recording naman for a song, pwede kang gumamit ng isang phone for accompaniment. Example, you're in your vlog, the sound covers, you're covering songs, no? Pwede ka gumamit ng isang phone, one for the, yung phone na ginagamit ko ngayon is for live streaming, for sound recording, and another phone for your accompaniment. Ito my original voice, di ba nag-iba talaga yung sound card, yung boses ng sound card. We can definitely changes depending on what we are up into, no? So again, open mo yung phone ko. So we will be, pwede kayo mag-search ng any music from your cell phone, other cell phones, or you can use also your laptop. And you can have your recording, and you can make your own recording studio inside your room or anywhere that you want to. So once again, if you have learned from this video, please share to your friends, please share to your others na gusto magkaroon ng small recording studio in yung mga beginners sa recording that they want to have a recording studio in affordable. So actually, I have just ordered my V8 sound card on Lazada. It's worth 1,597. And it's very nice. Iba talaga siya na gamit natin for sound recording. So, yes, if you've learned a lot from this video, please don't forget to click the notification bell. Because please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. So we'll be having more videos for the coming days. So shout out to my subscribers, Char. No, shout out to my 1,950 subscribers. Thank you for being there. And to my UNB family, to Charlotte Salem, to Noy TV, to Roger Casamilio, to my sister April ASM TV, to Malikato, to the rest of the bloggers here in Negros. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And for my UNB members, I will be putting the coordinates on the description below. So watch and subscribe on their channels also. So without further ado, this is Sir Mao and this is your Sir Mao's vlog. Thank you for watching.